Here's how to add logic to your Streamerbot shoutouts to include information about the person that you're shouting out. If you need a refresher on how to get started or how to make an automatic shoutout for raids, I'll leave the link to the other two videos below. To add logic, we will need to change our subaction. So let's remove any subactions that we currently have. Next, we want to list the game that the raider was last playing. And we need to get some extra variables for that. So we will right-click and add Twitch user get user info for target. And our variable will be the raider's username in variable form, which is %username%. This subaction will get us a ton of information about the user, including their most recently played game category. Normally, you could just send out a message saying the user and the game, but if the game variable is void for whatever reason, you'd get this. Or if they were just chatting, you'd get this. So let's add two branches of logic to fix this for us. Right-click and add core logic if else. The input that we're going to be checking is the game variable. And we first want to check if it's null or empty. Hit OK, and we can add our conditions in. First, if the result is null or empty, we want our message to not include that game info. Right-click, add Twitch chat, send message to channel, and send some neutral message that doesn't include the game information. However, if the check is false, that means there is actual data in the game category. So let's add another logic statement here. We'll check the game variable again, and this time we're looking to see if it's equal to just chatting. If it is, we can adjust our message here. Instead of making a new one, I'll just right-click, copy, and right-click, paste, and then double-click to adjust the message here for the just chatting scenario. Then we can paste again and edit this one as well to include the game information. And now if we test it out by right-clicking and hitting test, we can have a good set of scenarios to cover our bases with. If you need something more complicated than this, you can write C# code to make sure you're covered in every possible scenario. If you guys have more Streamerbot questions, let me know.